Hi guys and welcome back. In this video I'm going to show you how to wash your bike under 3 minutes. Let's go! You know the feeling guys, you're coming home from a long ride and you need to wash your bike. That's kind of a hassle. So I'm going to show you how you can wash your bike fast and easy using nothing more than some water and magic foam. So I will be using Auto Bright Magifoam, which claims to dissolve dirt and mud from your car, but seems to work very well on mud-covered bikes too. So I got this foam nozzle that fits on my pressure washer, but you can buy attachments for a variety of garden hoses. So let's fill up the container with recommended water to soap mix and make it snow. The foam needs at least 30 minutes to work properly, so guys, grab a towel and enjoy your hard-earned shower. At first sight there's still mud caked on the bike, but watch this. It comes off like a dream. Even the stanchions look brand new. All you have to do now is grab a hose or a pressure washer in my case and turn it to the lowest setting and spray the whole bike down till all soap is gone. Look at the result. Clean in about 3 minutes if you don't count the waiting. In the next video I'll tackle the slow and stiff dropper posts. So subscribe if you want to see more, and guys, I'll see you in the next one.